Hi, Janela. Let's start. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I really enjoy playing soccer, listening to music, and watching movies. I also love hanging on with my friends, book indoor light, cooking, and I have dancing.
Oh, interesting. And when do you like play soccer?
I like playing soccer on weekends, usually in the afternoon, and I am I play and the partner my house.
Nice. And where do you enjoy listening to music?
I enjoy listening to music in my room, especially at night because it's relaxing.
And when do you watch movies?
I usually watch movies on Friday night at home or sometimes and the cinema with friends. Now is my turn. What do you like doing in your free time, Joelo?
I love running in the morning, playing video games, and reading books. I also enjoy going to the gym, but I don't enjoy doing homework, and I hate cleaning my room.
And when do you like roaming?
I like running very early in the morning, around 6 a.m., and I usually run in the park.
Where do you enjoy playing video games?
I enjoy playing video games in the bedroom, mostly at night after finish my other activities.
And when do you like reading?
I love reading on Sunday afternoon, usually at home because it's quiet and peaceful.
Greg, I think we finished.
Thank you, Yanel.